Welcome to our roundup of the best robot vacuum cleaners for this year. Whether you're looking to keep your floors spotless with minimal effort or seeking an advanced, smart solution for home cleaning, we've handpicked the top models known for their powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and user-friendly features. We'll dive into each vacuum's key specifications, from cleaning modes and battery life to connectivity and floor compatibility. Be sure to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's jump in and find the perfect robot vacuum for your home. The first on our list is the Narwhal Frio Z Ultra. This robot vacuum and mop combo is for anyone who wants to clean floors without doing the work themselves. It has dual HD cameras and chips. These allow it to see the space around it, spotting things like furniture, pet accidents, and other objects on the floor. With this technology, it avoids bumping into things and knows when to go closer to clean right up to the edges. This vacuum also makes smart choices for cleaning. It detects dirt, dust, or liquids and picks the best mode for each. For example, it switches to suction for dust and dirt and uses the mop for liquids. For bigger messes, it cleans in a careful side-to-side grid pattern, ensuring no spot is missed. Also, its docking station is very quiet and convenient. It empties its dustbin on its own and can hold dirt for up to 120 days. The dock also washes and dries the mop with warm water to prevent odors, so you don't have to clean it yourself often. With 12,000 Pascal suction power, it picks up dirt and pet hair easily. The brush doesn't get tangled, and its edge swing technology cleans right up to walls. Plus, it has a special attachment for baseboards, which often get missed in regular cleaning. Additionally, the dual mops apply pressure and scrub at high speed to remove tough stains. The mop checks if the water is still dirty, so it keeps going until the floors are spotless. While the Frio Z Ultra is expensive, its features and easy maintenance make it worth it for a hands-off, effective clean. Second on our list is the Dream X40 Ultra, a robotic vacuum perfect for anyone wanting deep hands-free cleaning on different floor types. The X40 Ultra has an impressive 12,000 Pascal suction power, meaning it can pick up dirt, hair, and debris from both hard floors and carpets with ease. It also has a unique liftable side brush that extends to reach tricky spots like wall edges and around furniture legs. This means dust doesn't stand a chance, even in those hard-to-reach places. For homes with carpets, the X40 Ultra has a handy feature where the mop lifts up when it senses the carpet. This way, it prevents carpets from getting wet. You can even set no-go zones in the app, so it avoids areas you don't want it to go near, reducing any chance of it getting stuck. One of the smartest features is its Omni Dirt detection. This helps the vacuum find stubborn dirt and adjust its scrubbing power to get things really clean, especially under low furniture or in corners. Plus, it has an automatic cleaning system for its mop, where it uses hot water to wash itself and prevent odors. And the battery life is impressive too. With a strong 6,400 mAh battery, it runs for longer cleaning sessions, then automatically recharges and picks up where it left off. It also has a smart energy-saving feature to charge during off-peak hours. I think the Dream X40 Ultra's features are incredibly advanced and thorough, though it might feel overwhelming for new users. However, for those seeking top-notch cleaning, this robot delivers powerful and intelligent performance. Next up is the Ecovacs Debot T30S, which does both vacuuming and mopping and has a lot of helpful features. With a powerful suction of 11,000 Pascal, it easily captures dirt, dust, and even pet hair. It works well on carpets, hardwood, and tile floors, so you don't have to worry about cleaning by hand. This vacuum also has TrueEdge adaptive edge mopping, a feature that lets it clean right up to the edges and corners of rooms. Most vacuums miss those spots, but the Debot's special arm and smart technology help it get within 1 millimeter of edges, so your floors are clean all the way to the walls. Another useful feature is the Zero Tangle anti-tangle technology. If you have pets or long hair, you know how frustrating it is when hair gets tangled in the brushes. This feature reduces tangling, so you won't need to clean the brushes often. It also comes with an all-in-one Omni station that does a lot on its own. This station empties the vacuum's dustbin, washes the mop with hot water, refills the water tank, and dries the mop. This means it's ready to go whenever you need it. Plus, it avoids obstacles and moves smoothly around furniture. You can control it by voice, smartphone, or even with your Apple Watch. One tap of your foot can also start it. The downside is its higher price and large base station, but if you want a strong, smart vacuum that's easy to use, the Debot T30S is a great choice. At number 4, we have the Yui Omni S1 Pro. This all-in-one robot vacuum and mop offers an impressive cleaning experience for those looking to maintain a spotless home with minimal effort. With its 10-in-1 UniClean station, it can automatically empty its dustbin, wash and dry its mop, refill water, and even clean itself. This means less hassle for you and more time to enjoy your day. The Always Clean mop has a special water tank that holds ozonated water, which helps to break down dirt and stains. While it cleans, the mop keeps refreshing itself to use clean water. It spins fast at 170 rotations per minute, so it can get rid of both visible stains and hidden dirt. Plus, it uses 1 kilogram of downward pressure, which means it scrubs tough spots like you would by hand. With an impressive 8,000 Pascal suction power, the Omni S1 Pro can easily pick up dirt, dust, and pet hair on all types of floors, from hardwood to carpets. Its square shape helps it reach corners and edges that round vacuums often miss. Additionally, the 3D Matrix Eye obstacle avoidance feature allows it to avoid bumping into furniture and other obstacles while it cleans. What I really like in this is its smart water management system and the ability to lift the mop when transitioning to carpets, which adds to its versatility. However, it may have difficulty with deep carpets, so that's something to consider. Overall, the Yui Omni S1 Pro is a fantastic investment for anyone looking for a powerful and convenient cleaning solution that simplifies keeping your home spotless. Next up, we have the iRobot Roomba J9 Plus. This one's perfect for busy homes, especially those with pets, as it's designed to handle pet messes and clean up effortlessly. It has super strong suction, which means it picks up dirt really well from carpets and hard floors. Its suction is 100% stronger than some older Roomba models, so it handles tough dirt and dust without missing a spot. One thing I really appreciate is Dirt Detective. This feature helps the Roomba learn which parts of your home get dirty the most, like high traffic areas or specific rooms. So, when it cleans, it knows where to focus more, and it can even increase suction or go over the area twice if needed. It's like having a vacuum that knows where the dirt hides. To avoid getting stuck, it uses precision vision navigation. This camera-based feature helps the Roomba see small obstacles, like charging cords or socks, and go around them instead of getting tangled. If you have pets, Roomba includes a promise called Pet Owner Official Promise. This means it tries to avoid pet waste, and if it doesn't, iRobot will replace it. Another big plus is that it empties itself into a bag that holds up to 60 days of dirt. The Smart Mapping feature helps it create a map of your home, so you can tell it to clean specific rooms with Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant. In my view, the Roomba J9 Plus may cost more, and it lacks mop pad washing. But its strong suction, self-emptying feature, and smart navigation make it a great choice if you want easier cleaning, especially for homes with pets. Last but not least, we have the Qevo Curve, which is perfect for anyone seeking a powerful, easy-to-use cleaning robot with standout features. So it has a powerful suction of 18,500 pascals, which means it picks up dust, dirt, and pet hair very well. One of the best parts is that it has special brushes that don't get tangled, so if you have pets or long hair, you won't have to clean the brushes often. It also has AdaptiLift chassis, which helps it move easily over different types of floors. This robot can cross small thresholds up to 4 centimeters high, so it moves from hardwood floors to carpets without any problem. It even goes deeper into carpet fibers, making sure the cleaning is thorough on all surfaces. Plus, its dock makes it very convenient. The dock washes the mop with hot water, up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit, and then dries it with warm air so you don't have to worry about musty smells. It also automatically empties the dust and refills the water tank. This robot is also very smart. It has advanced navigation that avoids obstacles and creates efficient routes to clean your space. You can even control it by voice. Simply say, "Hello, Rocky," and it starts cleaning. And if you have pets, you'll enjoy the extra features like video calls, where you can check on your pets and the robot recognizes them. It's also quiet, so it won't disturb anyone at home. In my view, though the Qevo Curve is a bit pricey, it's worth it for the powerful, hands-free cleaning experience it offers. You got it. So that's it for the best robot vacuum cleaners in the market for this year. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest videos.